Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start right now by cleaning both the ear tips and your ear canals. Debris breaks seals and causes slippage. Next, try both foam and silicone tips. Foam compresses and expands to hold better while silicone relies on shape. Insert each bud, then twist slightly back and down to lock the seal. You should feel reduced outside noise and secure pressure. Once done, walk and jog in place to confirm fit before moving on to adjustments. Now focus on securing the earbuds for active movement. Add stabilizers like wingtips or small fins that sit in the concha to stop rotation. If your model has a cable, tighten it or route it behind the ear to reduce pull. For true wireless, use adhesive ear hooks or memory wire supports. Test with brisk head turns and low-volume audio to check micro movements. Make small incremental tweaks, moving a fin millimeter by millimeter, because tiny changes often fix major slippage. Finish by locking in your chosen configuration. Swap to sweat-resistant foam or apply a light tacky gel to the tip for extra grip while avoiding excess residue. Then perform a final activity test for 10 to 15 minutes that mimics your typical use, jogging, nodding, or cycling, to validate comfort and hold. If slipping persists, replace tips with alternate sizes or styles and repeat tests. If still unresolved, contact support or use a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.